Dugu. Tattoo artist on the go. Guys, hire her. Hire Angelic Tattoos. Hey guys, today is the opening of lights and we're going to watch. Yes. 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 I'm so excited, guys. Ano kaya ang theme ngayong opening of lights? Can you tell us? Stranger Things. How about you? What's your guess?
I think Barbie.
Barbie? How about you? What's your guess?
My guess is D100.
D100. What do you think is the theme?
My favorite, Rumi.
My guess, ano ba? Minecraft.
Very fresh.
Yay! Yes.
Gangster.
Show us the real tattoo. Show us the real tattoo. It's off na, guys!
It's off na.
I'm scared. Let there be like... Merry Christmas, guys! Happy Baskuhan!
Ang cute.
So pretty! I feel emotional, guys. It's our third opening of life. Woo! Oh my God, hindi ko naabutan! Happy Paskuhan!
Happy Paskuhan from FEU.